Suffering is the central problem that Buddhism addresses, and recognizing all suffering is the first step to its solution. There are three basic types of suffering in our lives. First, the suffering of suffering. This is the one we're all familiar with, the pain of birth, old age, sickness, and death. Second, the suffering of change. When you do get what you want, you cannot hold on to it. Even if things are going great now, it's just a matter of time. The richest, most successful person in the world will eventually lost it all. Third, all-pervasive suffering. This is the type of suffering we are most likely not to recognize, yet the most instructive when we do. It's the general background of anxiety and insecurity that colors even our happiest moments. Deep down, we feel that life doesn't offer us solid ground and that our very existence is questionable.